Hello all. Before we begin the video, let's discuss CloudFoundation. CloudFoundation is the premier online training platform to help individuals and organizations gain knowledge and skills in the ever-growing cloud computing industry.
If quantity is greater than 3, return false. Otherwise return true. So under this module called Current Record, you have all these APIs available. So this current sublist value. Okay, so we have something called getValue and setValue. That is something is clear, right? Yes. Get values to get a field value of body level. Yes. Or set values to set a field value at body level. Similar to that, we have APIs to get sublist level field values on set sublist value field values. So we have this, get current sublist value, which is to get the field value at a sublist level. Then, similar to that, we have set current sublist value, which is to set a field value at the sublist level. When you go through these APIs, you will understand. I mean, it's not something you will learn in a day, right? These are a lot. There are a lot of APIs. So when you go through Current Record module, you will see all these APIs are available. And then you will see. So Current Record is a different module, and Record is a different module. Current Record is only used for client script. Yes. Okay, and the Record module will be used everywhere else. Okay. Okay, so you have this current get current record sublist. Get current sublist value, which will give you the value for a sublist. Okay. So this is about validate field. Now coming to the field change. When selecting a field order item, the field change event updates the memo field to indicate that the item was selected. You understood what we're doing. So, as you select an item, we are trying to set a memo field value that this particular item is selected. Should I give you an easier thing? Validate field, field change, save record, etc. Let's see. If we select the quantity, then populate. If we select, let's go an easier. Example, okay. If we select test tag value, then populate test tag 1 accordingly. What do you need to do? We need to populate test tag value and put test tag 1 as this value plus 1. For example, when I say plus 1, you have to do it like this and add 0 at the end. Let's take this as an example. Okay. Okay. So whatever value you put here, we'll add 0 and then put it as test tag 1. Now here, we actually don't even need to go with the sublist name. So we can go the field ID. What is the field ID for this one? Test tag. If the field ID is this, then what we are going to do, that value for field ID. This correct. Set the value for field ID this as OK. So what we'll do, we need to get field. 1 is equal to current record. getValue. Okay. 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 So what we are doing? We are trying field value, which is our test tag value. This is our field ID. We are saying if any change happens on this field, then we are taking this value, adding a 0, and setting it as test tag 1. So what we did here, we check. If the field ID is equal to this, then what I'm doing, I'm setting the test tag 1 value as field value for this, 1 plus 0. Okay.
And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.